Doing a basic search in OneSearch is fairly easy. You'll come to this home screen and simply type your search here. As you can see, while I'm typing my search terms, there are multiple search options. You can click San Jose State Collections, California State University Collections, or articles. Since I want to search everything, I'm doing a very basic search. I'm going to go ahead and click Search. What's going to come up is all sorts of formats within the San Jose State Collection. That's going to be the default always. So you see books, articles. If I wanted to be a little more exact about my search, it looks like information literacy is coming up as a term. I'll go ahead and put my phrase information literacy in quotations and do my search again. So for the most part, the results are the same. But you have a few new things, like this journal's coming up now for Journal of Information Literacy. So this is a search at its most basic. If you wanted to set some parameters, like if you only wanted to look at articles or books, you can click these and the search terms will change.